All right, so Devin, what do we have going on here?
So we're going to be installing these aluminum. So right now we're got part of it disassembled already. We're going to finish up getting everything out so we can get everything back in.
So I see some bungees. You got a lot of bungees and everything going on in here. Let's just kind of talk through, and there's a jack underneath the vehicle, as a matter of fact. What are you actually doing, and what is that jack for?
Well, using the jack to kind of help get the coilovers out. With everything loosened and ready, it's still on the passenger side, it's still tight.
Yeah.
Yeah, like it's gonna be hard to get the coilovers out, but made a little trick with the jack here. Once you get the passenger side, driver's side coilover is loose, like it comes out pretty easy.
Okay.
There's not a lot of tension on it, so I like to take that out first and use the you can use a floor jack too if you're in the garage, but using a transmission jack to put upward tension on the ram.
Okay.
You can see the whole spindle and control arm here are going up
Just
as I go up.
So you're jacking up, this is the KDSS system you're jacking up, or what's going on? That's what that is?
Yep, the KDSS ram.
So what we got right now, we got Devin jacking up this transmission jack onto the KDSS system. And what that's going to allow him to do is he jacks this side up, and then that loosens the shock on the other side, or the coilover. And then when he comes on this side, he'll be able to take this out a whole lot easier because that side has been jacked up. If he didn't do this part here, he'd basically be fighting against the KDSS system to do this. Now you've seen a lot of people perhaps maybe try to use a crowbar on this section right here to pull it down so that you can release it. This jack kind of negates that effort and turns this from a two-person job into a one-person job. So you do have to remove the driver's side shock first. That has to happen first.
Yeah, I mean, I think you could get away with not doing it. It just helps get some extra travel out of this without anything being in the way. And
you don't have to move this jack to the other side to do the driver, to do this shock, right?
Yep, the other side is completely fixed.
Okay.
So everything, it moves entirely on the driver's side.
Oh, so the KDSS, so there's no ram mount on this side?
Nope, yeah, both front and rear on the driver's side is just a fixed, fixed mount.
Okay. See, I thought there were rams on both sides.
Right, yeah, almost relies on leverage on that one side.
And that's the same thing with the rear?
Yep.
Okay. Very cool.
Yeah, so now it's like completely free, we have a ton of room to...
Oh, okay, no crowbars, no 8-person job, just one person taking it out.
Makes it a lot easier.
Yep. Very cool.